Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing some WeatherTech Front no-drill mud flaps on our Ford F-150. Let's get started. All right, in your box there's going to be some installation instructions from WeatherTech. Shows you a parts list, all the tools you're going to need, and a step-by-step installation. Make sure you follow this for the ultimate source of information. Of course, we're doing our best to follow it as well. Now we're going to start over here on the passenger side, or the right-hand side of the vehicle. Just a couple things we need to do to prep the vehicle to get ready to install these in place. First is you have your little guard right here. You're going to have two hex bolts. These need to be removed. I'm using a 7mm socket for this. We will be reusing these screws, so make sure you hold on to them. Next, right under here, kind of at the pinch weld, there is a plastic clip we need to remove with a trim removal tool. We go ahead and remove this factory chip guard. Then we're going to remove this forward 10mm bolt right here, the one closest to the wheel. I'm going to clean this area just a little bit, get the dirt out of here. Now, since we are over here on the passenger side, you're going to grab the mud flap that has the RH with the right hand stamped in the back of it. You're going to want to take a look at your quick turn right here on the back. You can see there's an unlock and lock position. You want to make sure it's in the unlock position as you bring this into place. I'm going to go ahead and line this up. While pressing this up against the fender, we're going to rotate this. It goes into the lock position. We're going to use our previously removed screws. Reinstall them. And that forward bolt that we removed from the pinch weld right here, I'm going to put that into the little plastic flange and reinstall it. Now that just about does it over here on the passenger side. Now the installation on the driver's side is actually exactly the same. It's just going to be mirrored. So we're not going to show you that. And that just about completes the installation of this no-drill mud flap from WeatherTech. So it's pretty simple, removing those screws, putting this in place, putting those screws back in, using a little quick turn mechanism right here to clamp it up against the fender, and we're good to go. Now, if you're looking for these mud flaps or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.